All right, so the rest of the function, the features of a function, basically have to do with the turning points and a couple other things. But the turning points are probably the most important piece of this, so they're first right here. All right, so um, let me think about the right way to say this here. So this is the fancy way to say this. All right, relative local extrema. All right, and extrema means max min, means extreme. All right, you'll hear me call them turning points, which is right here. All right, turning points. And it's where the graph turns from increasing to decreasing. All right, so it's where it turns from increasing to decreasing. Um, and so it's a point that we want to look for because it helps us learn other things out about the function. All right, we want to make sure that we write them as points. All right, x, y. A turning point in a graph is, okay, so that's what I was looking for. A maximum looks like a hill. All right, so I'm going to write the word hill up here. That looks like a little hill. And a minimum looks like a valley. All right, looks like a valley right there. So that's what we're looking for when we see these things. All right, maximums, minimums. Um, Typically, they're not going to be the absolute highest point in a graph because usually the graph will keep going. All right, and there'll be a higher point someplace else in the graph. That's why it's called a relative. All right, because it's local. It's right in this area. That's the highest point. And the same thing with the minimum. It's going to be right in this specific area that it's the lowest point. But it will be a hill or it will be a valley. That's what you're looking for.